Mergent Online is a financial industry tool available to SNU students for free. To find a publicly traded company, log into My SNU, select the Online Student Services tab at the top of the page, and under Academic Support, select the Shapiro Library link. Select the A to Z database list, and in the Search for Databases field, enter Mergent Online, and then click on Go. You will then click on Mergent Online in the results. In the search bar, you'll see the direct link to this site. Enter a company name in the company search field. We'll use Apple as our example. And wait for a moment for this drop-down menu to appear. If it's a publicly traded company, meaning its stock trades on an exchange where you can buy and sell shares, it will appear in the list below and you will see the company stock ticker symbol and name. Click on the company name in the list for details and confirm that this is the company you intended to search for by reviewing the business summary. Review the information in the blue box at the top of the page and make note of the company's assigned industry and sector. To find historical stock prices, select the Equity Pricing tab. You'll see that the time period defaults to 3 years. Click on Report. Once you see the historical stock prices, you'll be able to choose this Download button here at the top right of the screen. And this will get you an Excel file with the information. Save this file to your computer. You will use the close price to calculate the % increase or decrease in the stock price over the 7-day weekday period or the 3-year period, referred to as rate of return in the rubric. For example, Apple's stock price closed on August 19th at $109.36. 7 days earlier, on August 11th, it closed at $107.93. If you had bought 100 shares of Apple stock on August 11th, 2016 at $107.93 and then sold it on August 19th at $109.36, you would have earned $143 before taxes, which is a 1.32% rate of return. The calculation is $109.36 less $107.93 divided by $107.93 multiplied by 100 to convert it to a percent. So again, the rate of return equals 1.32%. Apple's stock price closed on August 19, 2013 at $72.53. The 3-year rate of return is 50.77%. To download financial statement data, let's go back to Mergent Online and select the Company Financials tab. Balance sheet data will appear and it defaults to annual. 5 years worth of data will appear, and you may change this to 3 years. Choose Refresh at the end of the next row, and then again, to get the data into Excel, select this Download button. Save the Excel file to your computer. On Mergent Online Company Financials, change Balance Sheet to Income Statement or Cash Flow to get your other financial statements. To find a competitor, click on the Competitors tab. Select Public Global. Click on Company Name to review company details and the business summary to confirm this is the company you're interested in. Review the sector and industry as well to make sure that this is a company you want to use for your competitive analysis. To find industry data, you may also click on the Competitors tab. Select Public Global, and then choose at least 5 companies and click on each company name to review the company details and the business summary to confirm that those are the companies you are interested in for your industry analysis. Again, you'll review the sector and industry information. You'll determine what financial indicators you would like to compare and collect the needed data from the company financial statements for your ratio or free cash flow calculations. Average your calculated results to get an industry average. For example, once you have calculated the free cash flows for 5 competitors, you may add those together and then divide by 5. I hope you found this video helpful, and I encourage you to post any questions to your course's General Questions discussion board.